Now, Anioma State today, Delta North as a whole will become a state. We are not going to be talking about one senator anymore. We are going to be talking about 3 senatorial seats. We are going to be talking about 6 or 9 House of Assembly member. We are going to be talking about multiple series of essays, local government chairman. Now, IKA today now, it is possible, and that is what we are pushing for. Akumase, Ekwoma Owerri will be a local government. Ah yes, Owerri will take there is politics. Then I don't know where in that one where you know what to know where they are local government. No, I was with some of their key leaders. They were not going to Kumoku school. Okowako went to University of Kariabo. One of query. Finally, Oyewe Selimoria campus, who do the major faculties now? Kwapa, FRSC, Rosafety, or what? All the whole major street light to do enjoy it today. NDDC, not state government, and local and NDDC. Also, NDDC. So many things, so many NDDC were picture. And the well, because no man now. Automatically, before anything they met, over 70,000 jobs are available. On child, MNC, teachers training and all that. Automatically, we can cancel. And when I because what they were in China, you Roboniso Concha occupy Buneke, when Chaka Nabe. Everybody will leave us alone, or how do anyone will manage what we have. Okay, so and you can do them because Ero Karegene available. Anioma as a state, and we gas and we coal. There are a lot of mineral resources inside the Ukunzo to side Ebu. You go there, you will begin to make use of them. So if when against you call preach, now because they're not fighting for interests of everybody. One, when empowerment now. ONDP, the APC as empowerment and you 100%. Mind you. Only when I campaign based on interest. But to be in West State as a new state, interest are where they go because job let's say job open job for 40,000 applicants. Family 100. That is it. Family and 100. How many children with the family in Chapuchoro? He made 40,000, he would have made 100. I come with 39,900. So interest on that note, choosing for interest, I won't carry defeated because automatically every family you will graduate and they want to graduate a more opportunity to work, whether you like it or not. Or when I say you know, the data not, you know, 3 slots. 3 slots I have a bomb mobile, a German border. No man we're going to that for the Buchano. I could get it up over there. They were for your we're a man like that. This is self-fine attack. But at the end of the day, I think a Japanese so there is need. IKA, the bomb when you now, when even push you together, and it's already rainbow. When we hear the difference from you, no, you're I feel the age, why many interpreted. We hear put their winner and I don't understand that politics. No, rainbow. Oga, no man in their own abondibo. Belly went to Abuja, Namaba. Go and check the history. So don't need. Never know for be. Or it's when they go near Domuta. I'm very happy in because no need deep way teacher and what teacher had and going to really easy. He penetrating in so many places. I'm not calling that easy, but let's do it to prove a point. To some people who turn to politics that are not to be occultic programming, but how many belong to that group? How many here IKA and so do need. So no support or church there. The Yangwa as a LUG chairman, Yangwa as a ward chairman, with all that leadership, no position in the board. I can more than striker. Let us do the work. No call money. There are things money cannot do. But then so don't make a food chain. And that I don't know what that before governorship will run a cause. I don't know how long okay.
Another 16 years.
How long I work? Then we can go no channel no. And then it's no watching. Okawa about chichi. Ono me OP for number 1 OP. The whole of Ubiri that I know. Ono dey na what? Ya can help what? Ya the highest scale you name. Okawa by your chichi. Obi akumaze won. Who turn out children no but we not so called start of to open it there. But go hit that one now. But can you end on our plan? Obi turn on me. I'm not about it. Akumaze there we end down. Akumaze there we end down. Okawa kwe na go okay. Now what's that women will approve with me and then the data set where I bend this. You people should investigate that with the data set. Okawa Mary glory. Iṣẹ́ no ṣe da gbogbo ero na gbe da gbogbo ero. O le je na gbogbo ero. Okawa from 1991 Okawa by your tete. Orona secretary. Council secretary, Orona council chairman. Okawa we general 3-time commissioner. Okawa 1 SSG
8 years.
Okawa 1 senator 4 years. Okawa 1 governor 8 years. Okawa 4 years now. Then Okawa we go again Rungwe port.
Play your guy.
We it's not on the privatization. We want to house our assembly. There na manage airport. Una manage I want to know whether you can or you can. You can seek a hand down. The truth is, anybody now support the war against women. So don't need a good day. I'm on a neck. I'm on a neck. And I'm one of my career. The call had them in one.